Now let's look at this example where we have 8 over 13 minus 3 over 13 minus 2 over 13. Solution. To simplify this, we have 8 over 13 minus 3 over 13 minus 2 over 13. You draw your division line and write down the common denominator, which is 13. And then we perform the arithmetic subtraction of the numerators. Here we have 8 minus 3 minus 2. Now, 8 minus 3 will give us 5. And 5 minus 2 will give us 3 over 13. There is no common factor between 3 and 13. That means this is the lowest possible term of this fraction. Therefore, we conclude by saying 8 over 13 minus 3 over 13 minus 2 over 13 will give us 3 over 13. Thank you.